Imagine investing $1,000 in Bitcoin and another $1,000 in the stock market. Fast forward to today, what would your returns look like? The results might surprise you. Let's rewind to 2010. Bitcoin was valued at just 8 cents, while the S&P 500 was around 1,100 points. Fast forward to now, Bitcoin is hovering around $60,000, while the S&P 500 sits at about 5,000 points. If you had invested that $1,000 in Bitcoin back then, you'd be looking at over $750 million today. In contrast, that same investment in the stock market would have grown to around $6,000 to $7,000. But it's not just about the numbers. We need to talk about risk. Bitcoin is notoriously volatile. One day, it can soar by 30%, and the next, it can plummet by 40%. For instance, in 2021, Bitcoin peaked at $69,000, only to crash down to $16,000 in 2022. On the other hand, stocks tend to be more stable and predictable. They may not offer the same explosive growth, but they provide a safer investment over time. Consider the stories of two investors. Eric Finman invested $1,000 in Bitcoin at just 12 years old in 2011 and became a millionaire by 18. In contrast, Warren Buffett started investing in stocks at 11 and has built a fortune worth over $100 billion. Bitcoin can be like a lottery ticket, offering the chance for massive gains, while stocks represent a slow and steady path to wealth. Looking ahead, opinions diverge. Bitcoin enthusiasts argue that it could reach $500,000 or even $1 million, claiming it's the future of money. Meanwhile, stock market advocates point out that stocks have weathered every market crash and continue to grow over the long term. So, which investment is better? It ultimately depends on your risk tolerance and investment strategy. Are you willing to ride the roller coaster of Bitcoin, or do you prefer the steadiness of stocks? The choice is yours.